Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video, guys, is we're going to do our unboxing and a review of the new Watch Prime 3 from Aolon. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes, guys, it has been a long time. Been busy with my work, but right now we have here a new product from Aolon, and this is their Watch Prime 3. Okay, and this already is a super AMOLED, guys. So we can really expect that the display is really nice. We also have here the Watch Prime branding. Okay, at the bottom, and on the sides, so we have here the Glory Fit Pro. So the application, guys, is you can just scan this one here and you can connect your watch to your phone. Okay, and then side, so we have here their tagline here, keep striving, and I like that because this time is, I have to keep striving. And watch features, it has 1.43 AMOLED on cell, again 46 by 46 retina display. It has always on display, anti-fingerprint coating, 24 hours heart rate detection, and also Siwi motion algorithm, voice assistant, multifunction encoder, metal body cover lock. Without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. So we have here, I really like the the packaging of Aolon because they really make sure that you really have that premium quality, even with the box. Okay, so here is the manual, and okay, the watch itself, it's in here. It's very direct, and yes, we still have this keep striving, and this is what I really need, guys. We need this keep striving in our work or even in our life. Okay, so um, we have here, guys, the tool when you adjust the strap. Okay, so I will show you. So here is our Aolon Watch Prime 3. So we have here three physical buttons. Okay, on the right and on the left there's no buttons. And by the way, guys, as mentioned, this is a metal strap. Okay, and by the way, this one has if you want to adjust, okay, you can actually adjust it by yourself. The kind of arrow that means you can actually remove this one through this tool, so you shouldn't have any problem with that. Okay, and by the way, just in the strap there's Aolon branding. I really like how Aolon really customized their product. Okay, and then there's an instruction here, the watch will not turn on, so with 0% battery, so you need to really have to charge that one, and also download the app to pair with the watch. Okay, so let's take this one out. And I really like the Watch Prime 3. It feels really premium. Okay, and it's not that really heavy. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so we have here Alan keep striving, and as you can see, guys, we already have here our Aolon Watch 3, and as you can see, it's already AMOLED, so the picture is really clear. Okay, and let's see the watch faces, guys. This is like one of my favorite when unboxing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we've got 5 watch faces, and even in the watch face, there's already Aolon branding, and I really like that one. Okay, and then when we swipe to the left, okay, there's a shortcut for the different applications, and we swipe to the right, there's also another shortcut here. Okay, and let's check this physical button. So okay, this is basically the on and off of the screen button, and then here at the bottom part, so let's check. Okay, so this is a shortcut for the sports. Okay, and when you click that one, guys, it that doesn't feel uh, creaky, so it's really nice to press. And of course, this part here, the middle, like the clock, this is actually like the crown. Okay, and you can use this one to navigate to the different features that you want. Okay, so let's just check, guys, the different features. We have daily activity call, heart rate, workout. Okay, so for heart rate, so as you can see, guys, the sensors are lighting up. Okay, and also workout. We have SpO2 blood pressure. There's also blood pressure, guys. We have the systole and the diastole. And guys, this is just for reference, okay? If you really have some serious heart problem, you have to check your doctor and use the right tool. Okay, we have the sleep, breathing exercise, setting, stress, alarm, compass, the weather, workout records, voice assistant, notifications, music, control, stopwatch, timer, calculator, okay, find phone, remote shutter, okay. For the workout, we have here outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycle. So there are tons of uh, workout that you can use. Okay, I have SpO2. Okay, swipe down, guys. So we have here shortcut settings display. It has always on display, guys. So I like this feature. We have also the watch face. Okay, we're done with this. We have the display, sound and battery, theater mode, cover lock. So once enabled, you can turn off the display by covering it with your palm. So let's check that one. Okay, so see, it's it turns off, and I like that one. Okay, and breathing exercise. What else? What we have in here? Power saving. Okay, that's all, guys, for the features. And let me know, guys, if you want me uh, to check more on the features, and I will try to really make a video for that. And all I can say, guys, is that this new product from Aolon is really great, and also it's an affordable price, guys. Okay, and if you're interested, I'll just put the link in the description box. All right, so guys, once again, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.